Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about how can you improve your English language by listening the English language videos. Because I think that if you develop this habit of listening, I think this is a very good habit. Listening is very important besides other things that are reading, writing or speaking. But first of all, if you have the good quality of listening, then you can develop your speaking skill, because you have seen that small children, first of all they listen and then they try to speak. So I think that if you want to develop yourself in English language, you want to learn English language, you know that English is the common language which is spoken in all over the world as a second language, in some countries as a first language, but in most of the countries English is spoken as a second language. So there are more people who are curious to learn this language in each and every country. And the governments of those countries are also providing facilities for those who are willing to improve their English language, because they know that English is very important in present era. It has become the global language, and right now any country or any person is not limited to one place. One has to face a lot of other challenges, and with the help of social media you can communicate throughout the world. So when you are willing to communicate with other nationalities where the first language is not your own language, such as your country language is different, when you are willing to interact with the person who is living in other country, but that country language is different, the both languages are different, you are facing problems while understanding each other's languages, but you are willing to know each other's cultures, religion, territory, some other things. So only common language is required there. The common language is English language. If you both know the English language, you can communicate with each others. So I think that this language is a bridge between two nationalities, between two persons. Those don't know each other's languages, but they know the common language. With the help of this language, they can communicate, they can exchange their views, and they can discuss a lot other things. So I was talking about the listening power, that if you are willing to improve this language, you will have to develop listening power. Listen more English language videos, watch them or listen them. Podcast you can listen in English language. But when you are listening, there are some kind of problems while understanding the accents. In the beginning, when you try to listen the speakers of those countries where their accent is different, your accent is different. So I suggest you that first of all, if you are willing to improve and you are a beginner, then search your country's English language speakers. Listen them. Watch their videos. They will help you to improve your English language. And gradually when you feel that right now you are able to understand your own country accent, then you can jump to the other accents of other nationalities. I'm also listening some English language speakers of different countries, because there are some speakers who speak a very good way, very fluently, very slow, then you can understand easily. But there are some speakers who speak very fast. There you find problems while understanding. Such as when in the beginning you start listening American accent, you will face problem while understanding. If you start listening the British accent, you will face problem while understanding, because they are speaking the same language but their accent is different. That is creating problems to understand. So I think that listen accent which you understand very easily. Sometimes I watch videos of Russian English language speakers or other Indian English language speakers and some other countries. Their accent is matching and understandable. You can also choose according to your accent, that which accent you see that easy to understand. So I suggest you that first of all, speak or listen in your own accent. When you try to copy the accent of other people, then you will face problem. Then you will quit very soon. You feel that English is difficult to speak or learn. So anything which you are willing to achieve seems difficult in the beginning, but when you try, when you do your struggle, when you do your hard work, the things becomes easier for you. So start now, start the basic things first of all, basic things of English language. When you will know the basic things, then try to learn more advanced level things. In this way, slowly and gradually, I think you will improve the English language. I think that it is not easy to get a command on any language in very soon time, because it takes time. Some people are claiming that you can learn English language very soon. I think their claim is wrong. When you yourself start learning the things, then you get the experience that how much time is required to gain some things. So if you already know something, basic things of English language, then it is easy for you to improve on advanced level. But if you are starting from the beginning on basic level, then you will have to do a lot of hard work, and with interest you can improve this language. If you lack the interest, if you don't interested in, and your dedication is not more towards learning the language, then due to the lack of the interest, you will quit and you will not be able to speak or learn the English language. So I think that develop first of all listening power, and with developing this power also read some things, basic level things. Don't read very difficult articles. Some basic level things, you can read the books of children where their very easy sentences are written. Those are understandable. When you read those articles or stories of children, because they are understandable, then you will get more interest to learn the things, and then you will do hard work with dedication, with devotion. So if you are inspired by someone that others are speaking English language and you are also willing to improve your language, I think that you will have to do a lot of things. You will have to improve your listening power, then you will have to improve your reading power, and then you will have to improve your writing power, and with these powers you will have to speak. When you will not speak and you are improving your reading skill, you are improving your listening skill, you are improving your writing skill, but you are not speaking, you are not doing the practical exercise of speaking the language, then I think it will be very difficult for you. As you know that you have seen a lot of people, those have done triple MA or masters in English language, but when it comes to speak, they fail. Why they fail? What is the reason behind? Because they fail, they lack the practice. They don't try to speak the language. They just learn the language to pass the examination or to write something on paper. If you are willing to speak the language, then you will have to speak. You will have to open your mouth to speak English language. In the beginning, you will feel shy that perhaps I will speak wrong English, others would laugh at me. So I think don't feel shy while speaking, because consider in your mind, keep in your mind that this is not your first language, this is the second language you are learning. And in the beginning, when you will feel shy and you will not do the practice of speaking, then you can do nothing. For improving the language, you will have to speak. So start now, speak the English language. No matter you are speaking broken English, speak broken English. And after speaking broken English, you will improve yourself, and one day you will speak very good English language. I'm hopeful that you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me from this video, Altaf Malik. And before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.